Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can fix your notification not showing problem on your Messenger app. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, do share this video with your friends and family, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video now. So what you will do to fix that problem is you will simply just go to your Messenger app first, then you will simply tap on this three horizontal line on the top left corner, go to your settings and swipe down, and then you will see this notification and sounds option and preference section. Simply see if you have enabled this notification option over here or not. As you can see, for my case, all of the notifications are open except new friends notification. That's why I will not be able to get that notification, except I'll get the notification. So make sure it's turned on over here. Then you will simply go back to your mobile home screen. Then you will tap on this settings option and simply go down and then go to this option called notifications over here. Tap on it. Then you can simply search over here. Once the app is there, you can see my notifications are enabled over here. You can see admin, and if you tap on it, you can see allow notification banner. That means the notification will display on top of my status bar over here, and then you can see the vibration along with the sound. Okay, lock screen notification, it is also show. So if I get the notification while my screen or my phone is locked, I will still get to know that, oh, I have got something in my Messenger. You will go back, you will make sure that you have allowed over here, then you will get back and check this notification type. So all of these are over here are enabled, so you will just come here and check if any of the types you're having problem with. So you will simply come to that and enable the particular service from your phone itself. So yeah, this is how you can fix your notification problem in your Messenger app itself. And thank you so much guys for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys in next time.